Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new Zoho CRM contacts to Mailchimp as new subscribers? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Zoho CRM account. Next, set up the connection with your Mailchimp account. After your account is connected, select the list or audience that you want to sync to. You will also have the option to set your subscribers as double opt-in. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. By default, your bot will be enabled and ready to sync. You can disable and re-enable your bot using this toggle button. This pre-built bot consists of 4 steps. The first step, an event step, will trigger when there is a new or updated contact in Zoho CRM. The first if condition step will filter out any updated contacts. This will ensure only new contacts are synced over to Mailchimp. The second if condition step will filter out any new contacts that opted out of receiving emails or any new contacts that don't have an email address. The last step will sync the new contact over to Mailchimp as a new subscriber. Further bot customization is optional. You can test this sync by adding a few new contacts in Zoho CRM. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully syncs data from Zoho CRM to Mailchimp. As you can see here, the new Zoho CRM contacts successfully synced over to Mailchimp as new subscribers. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.